Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fridge water tube on your refrigerator. The reason why you'd have to replace the water tube is because it's leaking. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux Refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. So the hose that we're going to deal with is at the bottom of the front of your fridge here. So if you did have a K plate, you'd have to take that off first to get to this. So what we're going to do to uncouple this is we're going to press in on this blue tab and then pull the hose out. Keep in mind your hose might have some water in it, so keep a towel standing by just in case it leaks. Now we're going to have to take the dispenser apart, so we'll just pull the faceplate off to start. And we can set that off to the side. So now we'll take a Phillips head screwdriver and we'll just start unscrewing this right here. Now that we have that all unscrewed, we can take this piece out. So now that we have got this piece out, just unplug all these wires, push the clips in, and just pull them out. There we go, and we can set that off to the side. Alright, so now we've got that off, we can get the tube out. So we'll unclip it from these little areas here. Pull the clip off, pull this clip off, and it comes right out. We're just going to pull this piece out right here and set that off to the side, and you'll notice it comes straight up through the door. So what we can do, push this down. There's a little clip holding it in place right there, so we'll just push that down out of the way, and now we can pull it straight up through this hole. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hose. If you don't have one already, you can get one from our online store. So we're going to feed our new hose through the hole that the old one was in right there. And all we have to do is feed it straight up in there until it comes out through the top. So now that the hose is fed through, we can reconnect this line here. Just push that straight in. We'll feed this right through the corner. We'll slide the tube into the little hole right there. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then put it in the clips. Now we'll put our faceplate back on, starting with the control panel. We'll plug everything back in. Now we'll plug this one back in, this one right there, and this one will go right here. Just like that. So we got the wires plugged in. Now we're going to put this tray in the bottom here, just like that, and we're going to slide these little tabs right behind that, and we're going to put that there, and now we'll screw it in starting from the top. There's one. And now that those are all screwed in, we put our faceplate back on. Make sure that the name is facing right side up, unless you prefer it upside down. We'll snap everything back in. Everything's nice and tight, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.